So these guys are mad because these guys have been here all morning eating corn. And look, who's just following the turkeys. It cracks me up. They're all like, hey, what's going on? So the question is, who is the boss?